these free. Then start listening. We're going to announce your name on the air. The freeloader free money giveaway for 103.5 WRNG.
I'm good. Not really.
Def Leppard 2.
Let me go here for
Rock Titan. Show bottom up.
video sided.
Live.
There you go.
Concert Wednesday, November 6th at the Knoxville Civic Auditorium in support of his 10th #1 album. Get tickets now at the Civic Auditorium box office or online at knoxvilletickets.com. Joe Bottom Up. Don't miss your chance to experience
That might help a little bit.
of the year.
I'm David Boyd, an aggressive trial attorney and Marine Corps War veteran. A divorce with a former lover that has betrayed you. There will be a winner, and there will be a loser. I will aggressively handle your divorce and provide you the highest level of personal service. Put my number in your phone, 246-1800. That's 246.
That was awesome.
That was amazing. That was amazing. No.
Oh, see it, Daddy. Daddy,
That's all it did.
That was good.
Boom!
It's already dead.
It's real dead now.
I bet it would have done pretty good if we could actually put it inside the tree.